am the architect of my life, I build its foundation and choose its contents. Today, I am brimming with energy and overflowing with joy. My body is healthy, my mind is brilliant, my soul is tranquil. I am superior to negative thoughts and low actions. I have been given endless talents which I begin to utilize today. I forgive those who have harmed me in my past and peacefully detach from them. A river of compassion washes away my anger and replaces it with love. I am guided in my every step by Spirit who leads me towards what I must know and do. My marriage is becoming stronger, deeper, and more stable each day. I possess the qualities needed to be extremely successful. My business is growing, expanding, and thriving. Creative energy surges through me and leads me to new and brilliant ideas. Happiness is a choice. I base my happiness on my own accomplishments and the blessings I've been given. My ability to conquer my challenges is limitless, my potential to succeed is infinite. I deserve to be employed and paid well for my time, efforts, and ideas. Each day, I am closer to finding the perfect job for me. I am courageous and I stand up for myself. My thoughts are filled with positivity and my life is plentiful with prosperity. Today, I abandon my old habits and take up new, more positive ones. Many people look up to me and recognize my worth. I am admired. I am blessed with an incredible family and wonderful friends. I acknowledge my own self-worth, my confidence is soaring. Everything that is happening now is happening for my ultimate good. I am a powerhouse, I am indestructible. Though these times are difficult, they are only a short phase of life. My future is an ideal projection of what I envision now. My efforts are being supported by the universe, my dreams manifest into reality before my eyes. The perfect partner for me is coming into my life sooner than I expect. I radiate beauty, charm, and grace. I am conquering my illness, I am defeating it steadily each day. My obstacles are moving out of my way, My path is carved towards greatness. I wake up today with strength in my heart and clarity in my mind. My fears of tomorrow are simply melting away. I am at peace with all that has happened, is happening, and will happen. My nature is divine, I am a spiritual being. My life is just beginning.